The bustling shopping center is full of life, with crowds of people moving in every direction. But the real show is inside a nearby restaurant. There, a fluffy orange cat is on a mission, clumsily trying to assemble a wrap. She paws at a live, wriggling fish, pushing it onto a tortilla. Onlookers gasp and laugh, pulling out their phones to record the chaotic culinary attempt. The cat bats at the tortilla, a fishtail flapping wildly from the end of her messy creation. A perfect, if not slightly unconventional lunch,